Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, more bloodshed on this one, and things just continue to fall apart here, but definitely updates need to be done. The first I'm going to do is just get rid of that line right there. It served its purpose for now. But the first big update that comes into play is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is what played out here perfectly today. You can see that the price, gap down below that 150 mark, which I talked about, and as I said, when the levels of support are broken below, they tend to act as resistance. You can see time number one acting as resistance, and then later on, very impressive bounce, but once again, that bounce got rejected right at 150. And then down the price went from that area. So moral of the story here is that moving forward, if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides, is not necessarily can the price get back up to 150, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay up above it? And that's going to be the key question here. But the one dynamic here is notice how small these candles are starting to get, meaning volatility is shrinking down quite a bit. So it's going to take a whole lot to even just get back up to 150. I mean, we're talking about the price right now being right around $89. So, that's another dynamic, is it's not like it's, staying as volatile and moving $100 in a couple of minutes like it was previously. But nonetheless, like I said, if there is any sort of bounces back upwards, 150 remains that key level of resistance. As far as levels of support, next level to keep a close eye on, first off, is just simply where the bleeding stopped today, and that was at the $75 mark. If $75 cannot hold up, then the next key level after that would be down there right around the 53-ish dollar mark, give or take a little bit. So keep an eye on those levels of support moving forward. But yeah, the bloodshed continues, and we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.